Welcome to another great episode of Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make this beautiful Lal Saag Bhaji. This is a great vegetarian and really healthy dish. Ingredients you will need: chopped lal saag, 1 onion finely sliced, shredded and sliced garlic, dry red chilies, fresh green chilies, kali jeera, fresh coriander and some oil, turmeric and salt. Add the lal saag into a large cooking pot and put it on a medium heat to dehydrate some of the water in the leaves. Add salt to taste. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. You can add it straight into the garlic and chilli mix, but I find it a bit too slimy. The saag will sweat and reduce quite considerably. Cook the saag on a low heat, and while that's happening, heat a pan with some oil in it, and then we're going to add the red chilies into it. You should hear them popping and crackling, and as soon as they do that, remove them. The chilies have infused into the oil. Now we're going to add some kali jeera. This adds a gorgeous flavour. Add the sliced garlic. Cook them until they turn a deep copper colour and caramelise. Add the onions and add salt to taste. Give it a good stir. Infuse all the flavours into the onions. The onions should also caramelise. Wonderful. The saag has dehydrated and there's no juice or liquids left at the bottom of the pan. It's ready for the next step. Turn the stove off. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let all the flavours amalgamate and fuse together. Add the lal saag. Okay, so the lal saag has been cooking for about 10 minutes now. We're going to finally add some red chilies, green chilies, and we're going to finish it off with some coriander. We truly hope you enjoyed watching this episode of Marjana's Kitchen. Please like, share and follow our recipes for more updates. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.